So today we have a 2024 Toyota Camry TRD in here. This car was here about a year ago. We did a full front end PPF and a full ceramic coating on it. But what happened here in the last couple of weeks, this customer actually got hit in the hood with something on the road. Now he was worried that whatever hit his hood damaged his hood, but thank God he had the film on there because it saved his paint from being damaged. So today we took off the old stuff that was all scuffed up and we're going to replace it with some new paint protection film, and we're also adding paint protection film on the roof because he's getting a couple rock dings up there. So we're going to have all that done today so the customer can pick it up and then he'll be ready to drive on the road again.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it.